Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today we are going to create backyard, something like this picture, using aluminum door. Okay, so you guys can go to customize, then go inside aluminum door, then go to winter garden. Here, this one I change to roam view. Then you can go to the backyard space here. Alright. First things first, you can add auxiliary line here. Okay. This one as a guideline for you to draw precise rectangle. Alright. Then draw rectangle from this endpoint to this lines here. Okay. Then you can stretch it up to 3000. Okay. 3000, or you can put your own height. Okay, then go to surface design, select the front surface, make it facade. Okay, make sure the arrow is pointing inward. Just click the arrow, it will change direction. Okay, just click it once. Facade, this one, click the arrow, it will change inside. Okay, so for the back surface here, you can go inside the rectangle. Okay, must go inside it because you cannot select it if you are outside the rectangle. Okay, then make it facade. So now only leave the bottom and the top surface here. Okay, then you draw a line here in the middle. Okay, we're going to divide the rectangle. Draw a line to the midpoint here, 2850, just slightly lower than the height of your rectangle. Just now the height is 3000, just make it slightly lower. This one I input 2850. Okay, then draw rectangle like this, connect the lines, then go to surface design, make it facade here. Okay, change the arrow inside, then make it facade. Right, so it will come out like this. So this is how it looks like. Then still inside surface design, select the bottom surface and make it as ground. Select the top surface and set it as top surface. Alright, so now we have done changing the top and bottom surface. Okay, now we're gonna add aluminum frame. Go to line loft here, then select the lines here. This one is the edge. Then here I change to corner column. Okay, you will see the set framework setting. Just choose this one. I choose middle column. Okay, at the back here, this one is a corner column and beam. This one here also change to corner. Okay, so for the top part here, change it to hand roof front beam. Okay, same as the edge here, hand roof front beam. Alright, done. Then for the inside part here, you have to go inside to select the lines. Okay, then change it to middle column. Then you can see the middle column here is not correctly proportioned. Okay, so you can go to loft edit here, select the column, then you can rotate it. Okay, you can rotate it, or you can flip it also. This one also I rotate it. Okay, then go to surface design, select the front surface here, go to 2D design. Okay, you will see this page. Then we can drag auto here. Okay, drag the auto, then adjust the size. Okay, make sure it don't overlap with the middle column here. This one is overlapped, so go back to surface design, 2D, then adjust the auto here. Okay, so this one is okay already. Then go back to surface design, select the surface and go to 2D design. Okay, here you can select the rectangle and divide it. Here I divide it to 3 parts. So this is how it looks like. Okay, then go inside. We're gonna do for the side surface here. You can go to surface design. Okay, select it, then go to 2D design. Then go to casement door. This one I drag auto. Remember, must drag auto first. Okay, then select it. Okay, divide it to how many you like. This one I divide it to 2. This one I divide to 3. right? Then you can go to turnable fan to add window. This one, it will open to the right. Okay, this one open to the right. Okay, then click complete. Right, done. So if you want to add it, you can go to surface design back. Okay, select the surface. Here you can add door. Right, add one door here. This one got handle. Okay, if you click open, it will open. Right, so this part here, go to surface design, 2D design. Okay, then go to casement door, drag auto. Okay, this one I divide it to 3. Click complete. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Then for the back surface here, go to surface design, select the surface, 2D. Then change the type to sliding doors. Okay, here I drag auto inside and adjust the size. Okay, for sliding doors, you have set the top line here, replace it as top rail. Bottom line here, replace it as bottom rail. Okay, only for sliding doors. Here you don't have to adjust, you don't have to divide it. You can go to turnable fan. Here got 3 doors or 6 doors inside. Okay, you can just drag it inside here. Okay, so I drag 3 doors. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so this one got space. Go back to surface design, adjust the size a bit. Alright. Okay, this one adjust a little bit. Okay, it's better to have your own dimension lah. Okay. Alright, done. This is how it looks like. Okay, you can try click O button, exit the winter garden mode first, then try to press O button so the sliding doors will be open. Next, we're going to add another rectangle on the right surface here. Okay, so now you can stretch it up. Alright, you can stretch it up slightly lower than the original height, which is 3000. Here I input 2900. Then go to surface design, select the surface, make it facade. Right, make sure the arrow is pointing inward. Then make it facade on the other surfaces. Okay, then go inside to select this surface here, facade. Alright, next we're going to draw a rectangle for the bottom surface here. Bottom surface, connect it to the end point here. Now you will see only top and bottom surface here, only 2 surfaces left. Alright, then set it as ground, top here, set it as top surface. Okay. Alright, done. Then you can go to line loft here. Okay, line loft, set the aluminum frame to each lines here. This one the edge, change to corner. This one change to corner. Right. Remember you can edit it. Go to loft edit, then just rotate it. Okay. This one I rotate it also. Okay, done. So you guys can set up each edges to the type of column you like. Okay, this one I fast forward. Okay, then you can rotate it and adjust. Okay, done. Then go to surface design, select the top surface here. Okay, make sure you must go inside. Then you can see the roof design up here. Okay, divide it by quantity. Can divide it like this. Alright, this one change to 3. So this is how it divide. Change to 2. This one also change to 2. Generate. Okay, click complete. You can divide to according to your own preference lah. Okay. Okay, for the last part, you can see in the picture got more pillars like this. Okay, can go inside this rectangle. Okay, then you can just draw rectangle inside small rectangle. Okay, so here I draw 3 rectangles. Then just stretch it up. Okay, stretch it up slightly lower, 2,900. Okay, slightly lower than the original height. Okay, you can put your own height also. $2,900. Okay, done. So this is how it looks like. Then you can change color of the pillars. Just go to the library and drag material to the pillars. Okay, so you guys can try out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.